Hey everybody, it's Aaron from Beansprout. I have a really awesome sounding tenor ukulele we just finished. Rick Turner one time said to me that when he taught people how to build ukuleles at week-long building courses, he always picked Western Red Cedar for the tops because it was really hard for folks to mess it up sound-wise. Because cedar is just sounds really good, and it's easy to work with, and it's forgiving. And yeah, Western Red Cedar just continues to be a really good top wood for us. So in this case, it's cedar and walnut, and that's a combo that I just can't argue with. It just sounds so good. It's like rich and full, but it's loud and bright. It's just cool. So in this case, the walnut comes from a local tree here in Hood River that I just got some chunks from a couple years ago and split up and dried. And honestly, I should have upcharged for curly walnut because this is just really beautiful figure. Just looks awesome. And the cedar top is a really funky one. It was salvaged by Chris from the D Mill. This is a piece of cedar he got as driftwood on a backpacking trip, and he strapped it to his pack and hiked it out. And we cut a couple ukulele tops from it. It's got this cool striping down the middle, and it's filled full of little, beauty marks and little, some people call them flaws. I'll call them features. It's just a nice funky old piece of cedar, and it has a cool texture to it even under all the finish. So we chose pistachio for fretboard, headplate, and bridge. Really like the bridge on this one. And then some salvaged mahogany scraps for the neck. Little walnut binding everywhere just to hold it all together. So it's just like a great example of what I like to do. It's like careful and beautiful, but also rustic. And it just sounds awesome. Yeah, it's just awesome. So this one's for Carrie, and I hope they love it because it's a good one. This is number 793.